Sony XAV-AX7000, high-power CarPlay and Android Auto media receiver. Ever felt frustrated by weak factory stereos that leave your music flat and lifeless? Struggling with tiny screens, low volume, or laggy interfaces can ruin the drive. Drop a comment if this sounds familiar, because the Sony XAV-AX7000 transforms your car audio experience with high-power amplification, a sleek 6.95-inch touchscreen, and seamless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. Deadly long commutes, road trips, or music-filled drives shouldn't be hampered by subpar sound. Imagine controlling your playlists, calls, and navigation directly from a responsive touchscreen, while every speaker in your car comes alive with 45-watt RMS per channel. The Sony XAV-AX7000 lets you reclaim your driving soundtrack without extra amps or complicated setups. Pure audio power, pure convenience. Introducing the Sony XAV-AX7000, a single DIN powerhouse designed for audiophiles who demand crystal-clear sound and high-voltage output. Its 6.95-inch anti-glare touchscreen provides a seamless interface, while dual USB ports let you connect your smartphone and USB media simultaneously. Built-in Apple CarPlay and Android Auto provide effortless access to maps, messages, and music. The internal 55-watt-by-4 amplifier drives aftermarket speakers with precision, delivering dynamic, distortion-free audio. High-res audio support ensures FLAC, ALAC, and DSD files sound exactly as the artist intended. One user shared how upgrading to the AX7000 made their speakers come alive, transforming long drives into immersive sound experiences. 6 RCA Preouts allow connection of external amps for a full multi-channel system, while the 5-band graphic EQ and extra bass feature let you fine-tune every note. Tilt-adjustable screen and seal buttons make operation intuitive even while driving. Bonus tip: pairing with a rearview camera provides visual assistance seamlessly on the large display, combining safety and entertainment in one sleek package. The Sony XAV-AX7000 isn't just powerful, it's precise, reliable, and user-focused. Automotive audio experts call it a benchmark for aftermarket stereos. The 55-watt-by-4 amplifier delivers real power, transforming standard speakers into performance-grade units. High-voltage Preouts make multi-amp systems effortless. Influencers love the seamless integration. CarPlay and Android Auto work flawlessly, providing navigation, music, and voice control without lag or clutter. Users rave about clarity and punch. Even at full volume, the audio is clean, rich, and immersive. The EQ and extra bass let me fine-tune every track to perfection. The adjustable, anti-glare touchscreen is readable in bright sunlight, while dual USB ports ensure uninterrupted connectivity. Whether you're upgrading your Harley or standard car stereo, the AX7000 provides robust sound, customizable audio, and intuitive control. Night drives, road trips, or traffic jams are all enhanced by its dynamic soundstage and detailed output. Which feature would excite you most? High-voltage amplification, high-res audio playback, or dual USB connectivity? Comment below. Thousands of car enthusiasts trust Sony for powerful, reliable, and immersive in-car audio, making the XAV-AX7000 a must-have upgrade. Limited stock. Upgrade your car stereo with the Sony XAV-AX7000 high-power media receiver today. Enjoy 6.95-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility, 55-watt-by-4 amplifier, high-res audio support, dual USB ports, and 6 Preouts for complete system customization. Join thousands of users who've transformed their driving soundtrack with immersive, distortion-free audio. Don't wait. Click now to secure your AX7000. Unlock full multi-channel audio potential and turn every drive into a high-fidelity experience that's both fun and safe.